Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be creating a search field for this URL here with a selection of the available routes. So in this case, let's start out with putting this onto a new line on both of these. So we want to create this as a select component, which will be searchable, which will have a list of options. In this options, we want to have a closure. We want to return a collection of all the application routes that we have. So that'll be under Illuminati support facades. And we want to get routes. And then we want to essentially map this with kings with a closure inside here, having route. We want to return an array of route, get name as route, get UI. Oh, sorry, UI just. So if we head back now, we need to obviously make sure we close this closure. Does this seem to be working? All right, perfect. So now we can essentially go in and select anywhere in this application we want to. So for example, if I wanted to go to user/profile and I head back to the home page, I click here, it will get us to the profile page. And then in this case, we can now actually search for profiles for different paths here, but obviously there's some of these that you may want to exclude. And there's some of these as post requests, so we also want to filter out the post requests. So maybe to start with, let's just diagram route. Get current routes. Or get route, sorry. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is a bit more messy than normal inside a Filament component to do, but if we diagram this maybe somewhere else where it's a bit more. There we go. So here we have routes, and we want to get the one that's only with the get functionality. So we go get routes by method. And there you go. So this gets quite long, but this will essentially filter out all of this. You may want to create this into your own function somewhere instead. But now we get anything that's a get request with the ability to go in here. So in this case, we can now go back and change this to the home page, and you can see this works perfectly fine. Now we also obviously want to have the option for the sidebar to do this. So if we go back and select this here instead, put this on a new line, just make sure we have this as the login, save the changes. Again, it should work fine. So that's it for this video, but thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.